We have installed the Ultra Tixanova 6 spray mode 1 button filter replacement, 98% impurity remove, strong water pressure, filtered shower head. Look at it go in all its glory. Healthier hair, skin, starts clean water. Pretty good little shower head we got going here. It's got a button for different modes. So 6 different modes. Got to click it all the way through. It kind of gets stuck between them. Look at that. That's a pretty good jet. Get them all going. A few less going. So many shower opportunities here. All right. Pretty cool. Plus the water's filtered, so take care of your skin and nails, your hair, all the good stuff.